This amazing Adkisson PC with media floor plan from Gallery Custom Homes is featured in the brand new community of Adkisson Ranch, located in Shady Shores, Texas. This model home includes 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and a 2.5 additional powder baths with porte-cochere and a 3-car garage. This model offers 4,819 square feet of luxury. This eye-catching 2-story home plan can be built on our half-acre lots and features brick and stone masonry and an oversized covered front porch, as well as porte-cochere and a tandem 3rd-car garage that offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom double door into the foyer of this Adkisson PC plan, you'll find an elegant formal dining room with tray ceiling, double crown molding, unique lighting, and beautiful windows, perfect for entertaining family and friends. Pass through the double door into the private study with tray ceiling, double crown molding, wainscoting panels, and a hidden wine rack, and around the corner is the powder bath. The California kitchen features an oversized island with granite countertops, 48-inch shaker-style cabinets with glass front doors featuring cabinet lighting, an oversized farmhouse sink with decorative backsplash, built-in stainless steel double oven and microwave, a 5-burner gas cooktop, and the adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light. The spacious family room is where you'll find our most popular upgrades, including a beautiful spiral staircase with Juliet balcony, marvelous high ceilings, large beautiful windows, and a custom tile fireplace. The private master suite features tray ceilings, double crown molding, and a cozy reading area with large beautiful windows. The master bath features a bi-level vanity with makeup area, a deep relaxing garden tub, an extended walk-in shower with seamless glass enclosures and custom tile, along with a huge master closet. The first floor also includes a guest suite with a large closet and private bathroom. Make your way upstairs where you'll find a game room with surround sound wiring, a half bath, and plenty of space for the kids to entertain. The media room features a tray ceiling with unique lighting frame, a wet bar, surround sound wiring, and savant automation, perfect for family entertaining. 4 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, ceiling fans, large closets, and 2 conjoining bathrooms complete the 2nd floor. The Adkisson floor plan also includes an oversized covered patio and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Adkisson PC with media floor plan is featured in the community of Adkisson Ranch in Shady Shores, Texas. Call or visit Gallery Custom Homes to find out more about building the Adkisson PC with media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.